G'day and welcome to another awesome day. Today you can see we've got the bricks done, and I'm also going to show you what they've done inside as well, so stick around. So this week we've had the bricks completed. These are going to be rendered over, so that's why you'll notice that there's actually some different coloured bricks and that sort of stuff in here as well. So the render will be happening at any time now, but they haven't advised us when it would actually be. So it took them 3 days. It was pretty fast work, I must say. And inside, the gyprock is up on the walls. The cornices are still yet to go, but it took them 1 day to get all this done, so that was pretty cool. So as you can see, the house is really coming along quite well. We've got only a couple things to do before the house is at lock-up. They just need to add on the roller door for the garage and put the locks in the doors here, and the house is at lock-up. So we're not sure when that will be. It's going to be fairly shortly though, I would imagine. I also went through last weekend and added in some security camera cables. There's 6 cameras all the way around the house, and I'll be doing a future video on that, showing you the cameras and how I've set it up and all that sort of stuff at a later date. But for now, I've just got the cables coming out of the ceiling here. There's one example, another one over there, and I'm just going to leave that like it is for now. So thanks for joining us today. It was just a quick update to show you what's been happening here. Please like this video, subscribe, and click that little bell icon too if you haven't already, so you can be notified of any future updates. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.